What is going on, Blast Off Crypto? Today we have an exciting video, something I'm excited to share with you guys about. It's something that I actually just learned. As I mentioned previously, I'm a new YouTube channel and I'm newer into this crypto world. If you guys are newer into this crypto world, I think this is going to be an exciting video for you guys. So today we're going to be talking about reflections and how to make sure you're actually getting reflections from certain coins and tokens that you're actually buying. So recently I was trying to figure out why I felt like I wasn't getting any reflection from one of the actual tokens that I bought. The actual token I'm talking about today is going to be, where are we at? I want to say it is, I know I'm going to be getting Shiba Inu. Okay, it's from Shiba. So I originally had bought this and I couldn't figure out why I wasn't getting reflections. So this was supposed to give me Shiba Inu coins. And so I felt like I wasn't getting any and I couldn't figure out exactly how to do that. So today I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how to make sure you're getting your reflection from certain tokens that you're buying. And as I said, if you already know how to do this video is not for you. But if you don't know how and you're like me and you're trying to figure out how, this video is for you. So let's jump into how to do this. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to jump into Trust Wallet. Jump in your Trust Wallet, and what we're going to go to is you're going to go to your Smart Chain. You're going to click on Smart Chain, and what I did not know is I was trying to figure out how to get my actual wallet address, and I was looking through, couldn't figure that out. Apparently, when you click on the actual Smart Chain logo, see how it says it's being copied at the bottom? It copies it for you. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go to BSC Scan. If you can see, it's bscscan.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste our actual address. We're going to paste that address in here. Bam. Now, once that address is pasted, it's going to show you your actual tokens and what you have. Now, I have more money in there than this. I don't know if that part is accurate, but I will show you that, like I said, I was trying to get my SHIB, and I couldn't figure out why I wasn't getting any, or it seemed like I wasn't, but I actually was. So what I did is I put in, I clicked on my SHIB, and this is what I was supposed to be getting. And if you can see, it has a contract of what I did, and it has a filtered by token holder. Now, my balance of it is 29,444. That is what I have gotten from the Shiba. And how I know that this is working is if I scroll down to transfers, I am getting these 19 hours, 2 days, 15 hours ago, 4 days, 5 days. So if you can tell, it's a little hit and miss of when they're coming in, and that just goes to the volatility of the actual token. So sometimes you're going to get more, sometimes you're going to get less. But if I scroll to the right, I keep going, this is the quantity that I'm getting. I'm getting small amounts because I don't have that much money into it, but I'm getting them. So you can see I got 1,000 here, I got 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. And it's different because each time I get some, it just goes off the volatility of the token, how much it's getting, and reflections are given out at different times. As you can see, this is how many I've been getting. So it's kind of cool. You can see, make sure that you're getting what you're getting, and this works for other tokens as well. Other tokens have different reflections, but I mean, it's cool. I've got $1.40 worth of SHIB. Hopefully you know that SHIB hits that penny. I will link the SHIB video I actually just put out because SHIB actually has been up 30% right now, and I think it's going to go even higher. Guys, if you enjoyed this video today, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button. Make sure you share with friends and family. I'm a new YouTube channel. I'm trying to get onto other platforms, and I'm just trying to help you guys out. I want to make sure that you guys are in the same road that I am. We all want to make money, and this is definitely a beginner guide to crypto. I'm new to it, and I'm going to be along this ride. If you guys want to join my ride, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, have a good day.